That is my pomegranate seed. I'm going to do pomegranate's mojito non-alcoholic drink. That is the ice cube, and that is the fresh lime I'm gonna be using, and I'm gonna be using low-calorie Indian tonic water as well. Okay, guys, keep watching and stay blessed. I love you guys. I'm blending the pomegranate. Sieve it out. That's the pomegranate juice. I just blend in my juice machine. You can use anything to blend it, okay? So I put keeping my soda drink in there, okay? In my glass, I just smash this a little bit, okay? Then I put my mint leaf in there, okay? Goes in there. Then I'm gonna put my ice cube, goes in there. Then I'm gonna put in my pomegranate juice that I just blend, tip it in there. This is refreshing and healthy drink, you know, mojito, no alcohol drink, so the kids can have it as well, okay? Not only daddy and mommy. So we're gonna stir it, okay? Then add some pomegranate seed in there. It's healthy. This pomegranate seed is very good for you. The juice is very good for you. It's very healthy. And this is very brilliant drink during summertime, okay?